Right, my dear student, now we have here 57th question. As I am telling you, I will be giving the hint and you simplify, you will be getting that correct answer, and I am giving the answer also to you. 57th question, the angle between the tangents drawn from P to the circle. Okay, angle between you are having one circle, Nana. You are having one circle. You are drawing the tangents. Okay, the angle between the two tangents drawn from P to the circle is 2 theta. Okay, this is what they have given, 2 theta, right? Theta. This means, my dear students, you know that these are perpendiculars, these are perpendiculars, and if you draw, this become theta and this become theta. Okay, we would have theta like this. This total angle is theta and theta, and this is what P we have. We can say that this is A and this is B, and you know that they are congruent, of course. They are congruent. And also they given the equation of the circle, my dear students. This is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, right, plus 9 sine square theta plus 13 cos square theta is equal to 0. You have here. Then they are asking the locus of the point P, Nana. This is h comma k. From this you can get the center. The center is nothing but minus 2 comma 3. The center is nothing but minus 2 comma 3. You see, my dear students, from this even you will get the radius also. Okay, you will get the center. The center is nothing but minus 2 comma 3, and the radius is nothing but root over g square plus f square minus c. That means, my dear students, we know the radius here, we know the center, and you can find the distance between that. And PA is nothing but length of the tangent, that is nothing but root over S11. Now you just equate this. Okay, root over S11 means what? You know that, of course, right? This one and these. Okay, you use Pythagoras theorem here. What you will use here is PO square is equal to the Pythagoras theorem is OA square plus PA square. This, if you simplify, you will get the equation in h comma k, Nana. And finally what you do is nothing but this. Okay, PO you know that, OA you know that, PA you know that. You will get the equation in h comma k and convert into x comma y because it is locus. Then you will get the answer as option C. Option C is the answer for this particular problem, my dear students. In this way you will be doing this particular problem, right? Now this 58th question, my dear students, lines are drawn through the point P2 comma minus 2 comma minus 3 meet the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0. The length of the line segment PA, where A being a point on the circle where the line touches. You have, my dear student, here, this is what the circle whose center, this is the circle what they given, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 10y, right, plus 1 is equal to 0. Right, my dear student, and the center is nothing but what we have here, 1 comma 5 like this. This is what the center we have here, of course, O. Right? Once you know the center, and even you can find the radius also. R is equal to root over g square plus f square. That means minus 1 whole square minus 5 whole square minus 1. You will have, okay, the center also for this, of course. And this is equal to, sorry, you will get the radius even for this, my dear students. After that, what they are telling is lines are drawn through the point minus 2 comma minus 3. Lines are drawn from the point minus 2 comma P minus 2 comma minus 3. You have drawn the lines to meet the circle. Okay, okay. To meet the circle at A. Then they are asking here the length of the line segment PA. This is what actually known as root over S11. If you do that, you will be getting very easily. You know, length of the tangent segment is nothing but okay, root over S11. If you do that, you will get the answer for that. Then okay, the answer is B. You are getting for this, right? Next we have, my dear student, the 59th question. If you observe, equation of the circle drawn on the common chord of the circle. Okay, they given one circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1, Nana, and another circle was given as x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. These are the two circles are given. Then you know that the equation of the circle drawn on the common chord. The common chord, how we are going to get S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. This is what the common chord, like this, right? This is what the common chord, S1 minus S2 equal to 0. Now, you see my dear students, we are having here A and B. This is what the common chord you have here. Now, what they are telling is the circle with this as diameter. Now, they are telling the circle with this as diameter, right? That you can easily get, my dear students. What we can say is nothing but from the options they have given the circles, you just find the center from the options, the circle. Okay, if I observe that, this you will be getting the equation as like this. Okay, fine. S1 minus S2 means, my dear students, we will have x square plus y square minus 1 minus x square minus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus x square, these all will cancel. You will have 2x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is now x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you take from the options the circle whose center should satisfy this line. Okay, you just take the center that should satisfy this line. If you do that process, you will get option C as the correct answer for this. Right, my dear students? Next, my dear students, very nice problem, 60th problem. What we have here is the tangents PA and PB are drawn, okay, to the circle. Okay, they given the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Right, now from the point P x1 y1, from the point P x1 y1, P x1 y1, okay, you have drawn the tangents like this. You have drawn the tangents. Now this is O is the center of this given circle like this. Now you see, my dear students, you know that this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Now what they are telling is, right, equation of the circumcircle of the triangle ABC. Okay, triangle PAB. This is what A you have here, this is B you have here, like this. We need now the circumcircle. That will be, you see, my dear students, you see this is what the circumcircle, and it is making 90 degrees here. My dear students, you know, if it is making 90 degrees means this will be acting as a diameter. This PO will act as a diameter. Once this is the diameter, my dear students, right, okay, then what they are asking is the equation of the circumcircle. Once you know the extreme points of the diameter, you know, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is now x minus x1 into x minus 0 plus y minus y1 into y minus 0 is equal to 0. This, if you simplify, my dear students, you are going to get x square plus y square minus xx1 minus yy1 is equal to 0, which is nothing but option A is the correct answer, my dear students. Very easily you can get this particular problem. Okay, my dear students, regarding 61st question, already in the previous examination we got this problem and we have discussed also this problem. 61st problem, it came in already in the last exam circles paper. The same thing was repeated, Nana. Okay, that you know the answer for that, of course. It is just 2 lines what they have given, my dear students. X plus y is equal to 2 and another one is x plus y is equal to minus 2. We have like this. This is what 2 comma 0 and another one 0 comma 2. We have like this. And another one minus 2 comma 0. This is what now we have here, minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma minus 2, like this. Now the circle, right, what we have here is the circle is of radius r and center alpha comma beta lies completely within these 2 circles. Completely lies within these 2 circles. That I already explained. You can take any point, right? Okay, you can take center as any point, that's such that it should lie between these 2 parallel lines, of course. Okay, such that the diameter should lie within these 2 things. In such a way, you can take the point alpha comma beta. You can take alpha as 0 and beta also 0, and you can verify that. We already told you, you will get option A. Okay, that means the the minimum of that you will be getting it as greater than root 2r. You can take any point within these and you can check alpha comma beta is lying within this region, and you can observe that you will be getting right what is the minimum of that is nothing but greater than root 2r. That means option A is correct. Already we discussed this problem. Now see, my dear students, 63rd question what we have here. The abscissa of 2 points A and B are the roots of the equation. They given that x square plus 2ax minus b square is equal to 0. Abscissa means the x coordinates. That means x1 plus x2, sum of the roots. This is nothing but minus by. That is nothing but minus 2a by 1. And the product of the roots. That means x1 into x2 is equal to minus b square by 1. Right? Now this is what we have, Nana. And another thing you have given, that is what x square plus 2px minus q square is equal to 0. Here they given right and their ordinates are the roots of this equation. That means if I take the ordinates means y coordinates. Sum of the roots is nothing but, if we take this is minus 2p Nana, product of the roots is nothing but minus q square by 1. Now you know this thing. Now you see, my dear students, we got a and b are the roots of this equation. Then the radius of the circle with the AB as diameter is, my dear students, now if you take A and B as a diameter, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, you will get a circle. You know that circle, once you know the end points of the diameter is given, then the circle is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to 0. You see, my dear student, when you multiply, this is nothing but x square minus x into x1 plus x2, okay, plus x1 x2. Similarly, y square minus y into y1 plus y2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. You have like this. You know, x1 x2, x1 plus x2, x1 x2, you just put it here, my dear students, then you will get x square minus x into x1 plus x2 is nothing but 2ax. Right, x1 x2 is minus b square plus y square minus y1 plus y2, this is nothing but 2py, okay, minus q square is equal to 0. Now you got the circle, Lana, you can find the radius from this circle, right? That answer is given by option A. You can easily find radius from this given circle. Like this we can do this problem. Now see, my dear student, the 64th question, many times we were discussed this. They have given, my dear student, this circle x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 1. This is the circle, my dear student. We have the center is what, actually 3 comma 2. Now if this line, what is the line, x plus y minus 19 equal to 0. If this is acting as a mirror, my dear students, what you know is, what you have to do is you find the image of this point with respect to this line mirror like this. You find the image of this point and you know the radius. You can find radius of this. The radius is nothing but 1 unit. Therefore, you know you will be getting the image for this point. You know how to find image with respect to this line acting as a mirror. Okay, now you got center and you know the radius. Radius is 1. Then you will get the equation of the circle. That is what you have here, Nana. Therefore, for 64th, if you do this process up, okay, D is the correct answer for this. This is the hint, the way how we will be doing this particular problem. Regarding 65th problem also, my dear students, already we have, many of us we have discussed it. They have given the curve equation. The curve is what, y is equal to root over 25 minus x square, we have like this. And the line y is equal to 0. That means, and the line y equal to 0 means what, x-axis. Right, my dear students? The point a comma a plus 1 lies interior of the, okay, interior of the circle, belongs to interior of circle like this. Right, my dear student, if you do squaring on both sides, you will have y square is equal to 25 minus x square. This is now x square plus y square is equal to 25, Nana. Now this is what the circle you have here, 0 comma 0, and the radius is nothing but 5 units, 5 square. This is the radius, 5 units. Now we need the point a comma a plus 1 is interior means, my dear students, you know that if you substitute that point, okay, you are going to get S11 is less than 0, you have to get, my dear students. and by the x-axis. Okay, if you take s11 as less than 0, that means, my dear students, a square, because s is nothing but x square plus y square minus 25 you have here, a square, x is, okay, y is nothing but a plus 1 whole square minus 25 is less than 0. If you take, you will get the answer. I think if you do that particular process, you will get option C is the correct answer, like this. Right? Fine. Next, my dear student, the 66th problem, they have given the points. Okay, they given there 2, 3, right, Nana? 0, 2, right? 4, 5, and 0, t are concyclic. These are what? Concyclic. You know, my dear student, with these 3 points, you can find equation of the circle and substitute the 4th point. You see, my dear student, with these 3 points, 2, 3, 0, 2, and 4, 5, you can find the equation of the circle. Now substitute the 4th point on this. You substitute the 4th point on this. Then you will get the t value. That's it, my dear students. Therefore, for 66th one, the answer is B, right? Okay, B is the correct option for this. Now, my dear students, 67th also very easy. These 2 circles cut orthogonally. Okay, they given 2 circles and those 2 circles cut orthogonally. You know the condition for orthogonality, Nana? 2z1 z2 plus 2f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. Either you can use this condition, or this is r1, r2, and d is the distance between them. r1 square plus r2 square is equal to d square. If you use this condition, you will get the value of p. There you will get the option as D is the correct answer, Nana, for this particular problem. Right. Now you see, my dear student, the points on the line x is equal to 2, from which the tangents are drawn to the circle. You see the 68th problem. You have a circle with radius as 4 units. Okay, and the tangents are right angles to each other, like this. These are what? Right angles. And this point is lying on the line x is equal to 2. Okay, therefore this is 2 comma k, like this we take. The point is 2 comma k. X value is 2 and y is equal to k. Right, Nana? And you know that how you will get k value. This is 0 comma 0. Radius is 4 units. You just find. This is also you can find, Nana, the length. This is suppose P A. PA is nothing but root over S11. Now it is satisfying Pythagoras theorem. That means PO square is equal to PA square plus OA square. If you do that, you will get the K value from this. If you do that, you will get the K value. You know PA, you will get in terms of K, and also PA, you know, distance between these 2 points, and this is 4. Then you will get, this is what, from this you will get the K value, right? Now you see, my dear student, the 69th problem we have, they given that x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. This is the circle which makes an intercept on the line y is equal to x. And this is x minus y is equal to 0. Or you take, my dear student, y is equal to x here, you will get x square plus x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Then this is what? 2x square minus 2x is equal to 0. If you take 2x common from this, you will have here x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. That means y is equal to 0. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 1. Therefore, you got 2 points. One is 0, 0. Another one, 1, 1. One, this you call it as A and this you call it as B. With A and B as a diameter, right? You can get a circle. You know diametric form of the equation of the circle. That means x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is Nana x minus 0 into x minus 1, y minus 0 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus x plus y square minus y equal to 0. X square plus y square minus x. Now you got the equation of circle. Now this circle, you know how to find length of x-intercept and y-intercept on axis. You know we have length of x-intercept is nothing but 2 into root over z square minus c length of y-intercept. This is 2 into root over f square minus c. You know that how to get it. Now then the circle AB has diameter makes intercepts of length. You can easily find it is making a intercept of length 1 unit on y-axis. Therefore option D is correct. Using this, this is what x-intercept, right? And this is what y-intercept. If you do that, you will get it is making a length of 1 unit on y-axis, right? Now this problem, 70th problem also, last time in our circles paper, JEE Main set 3 we have got already, and I have clarified this doubt also. I will just give the hint. The locus of the center of the circle which touches the circle. You see, my dear student, already I have told this, which touches the circle. The circle is what, you have x square plus of y minus 1 square is equal to 1. Okay, 0 comma 1. Now 0 comma 1 is this point. Okay, with this and radius. Okay, this is what we have here, my dear students. This is the circle we have here like this. Now there is another circle which touches this externally and touches x-axis like this. We have this, right, my dear students, which touches this, right? We have like this. This is what we have here. Then locus of the center of the circle. Okay, now we need the locus of this. This center is nothing but h comma k. Now you know that, right, my dear students? We have like this. Now using this we did already, right? What we did, this is nothing but what 1, you know, however, and this is nothing but, you know what it is, and this length is nothing but what, this is what k, and this is what k you have here, and this length, suppose if you take it as O, and if you take this as A, something like this as A, and if you take this as some B, like this, OA is nothing but, my dear student, 1 minus k, like this, and this center is nothing but 0 comma 1, like this, right, Nana? We have here, and this radius is nothing but, you know that it is modulus of k, and this length is nothing but, you know that, fine, you know this is nothing but 1 minus k, and this you know that, and this also you can find very easily from that, right? By that you will get the locus, right? By that you will get the locus as okay, option B, Nana. Already I have told this particular problem in the last paper while we have discussed it. You can satisfy this, of course. This you use the right angle triangle, that is nothing but OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. You can do like this, right, Nana? This is what we have here. Okay, fine. Okay, this is what H you have here, of course. This is because H comma K, this is H. Okay, this is what H. Using this, you will get the locus as option B. Right, my dear students? Like this, you can do this particular problem.